Oil Daily Forecast, December 15th, FXEmpire.com. The light sweet crude market got absolutely pummeled on Wednesday as we drove straight down to the 95 support level. While the 95 support level has held as firm support, it is very difficult to go against a long red candle like this. One has to be very concerned about the outlook for this market. With the euro falling apart and commodities in general getting whacked hard on Wednesday, the dollar is getting bid up against everything, and this could be an ominous sign. This is the beginning of some support, and while we did think that perhaps we could fall here, we didn't expect to see it in a couple hours. The 90 level below should be supportive as well, so we think that any move down may be met with quite a bit of support. Any bounce at this point in time, though, does get looked at with suspicion by us, and we think that a break below the Wednesday session lows sends us to 90. Of course, if we can break 90, things get pretty ugly pretty quick in this market. We are heading into the lowest volume time period of the year, so moves could be erratic, but in the meantime, we will definitely have to keep an eye on this. We are willing to sell rallies once we get a little closer to the highs, near 100 now, as it does show a gradual weakening of strength by having lower highs. Unlike the light sweet crude contract, the Brent contract actually busted through support on Wednesday. As you can see, we are clear of that area, and as a result, this looks very, very bearish. In fact, we have a little bit of a head and shoulders at this point that has just now broken. The move suggests that perhaps we will see an attempt on the lows again, as it is $15 high. You just take the break and subtract 15 from that, and that is essentially where you're looking to aim. We are willing to sell rallies at this point, or a breaking below the lows on Wednesday. With the slowdown in Europe and China, and the fact that, quite frankly, the demand has not warranted some of these prices over the last several months, it looks like reality is finally starting to set in. Dollars going up, commodities are going to go down. The war in Libya is over, and production from Libya will start hitting the markets again soon. From this point in time, we are willing to sell rallies in the Brent market until we see a substantial turnaround.